Want to know how to open up a control panel or your debug output panel in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up your Cursor AI application and make sure you are under a new file or you are under the menu itself. So in order to open up your panel, you can just simply select view and then select panel or appearance under it. Or if you don't find it, you can just simply select Ctrl+J on your keyboard. So once you actually do that, here you should be seeing your panel opening with debug console, terminal, ports, and much more. So you can just simply select any one of these, run your code, see output and problems itself. And that's it. Now, if you want to close the panel, you can just simply select this hide panel again, or just simply type Ctrl+C. It should add it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.